Hi friends, I'm here with our poem this week. It is about a gingerbread man. And so we've read the books about the gingerbread man, and here it can be read or you can sing it as a song. The title is Where is My Gingerbread Man? So it's actually starting with a question. So I will read it and you can follow along. Oh, where is my gingerbread man? Oh, where can he be? He popped out of the oven and ran out the door. Oh, where can he be? All right, we're going to play some games with the words in our poem. So first I'm going to say scissors, and I'll say a word and you tell me the first sound you hear. So remember to watch my mouth. What's the first sound in where? Ooh. Ginger, j, bread, b, man, can, k, and ran, r. Good job, friends. Now I want you to tell me all of the sounds you hear in the word. So tapping hands up, zoop. I'll say the word and you tell me each sound you hear in the word. Can you tap out the sounds in the word where? Ooh, air, Good job. Let's try another one. The next word is out. Out. Door. D or pop. P a p. And let's do the word. Let's do man. M and n. Good job. Now, I'm going to say the word slowly, and you figure out and say my word. So I'll say the first sound and then the ending, and you say what the word is. So what is this word? Air. The word is where. How about this one? And the word is ran. And this one, out. The word is out. Good job. All right, we're going to clap some syllables. Remember, the syllables are the beats in the word. So this time I want you to put your clapping hands up and tell me the syllables in gingerbread. Gingerbread. Good, that was 3. How many syllables in where? Where? Can. He, and be. Good. Other than gingerbread, it looks like they're all one syllable. So now I'm going to find a little shape here, and I'm going to circle a word that we're working on. It is M-Y. What is this word, friends? My. Like you can point to yourself and say, it is my book. And I'm going to see there's only really, there's one up here in the title, my, whoops, I crossed it out instead of there we go. Now I'll put a circle on it. All right, my, I say, you're busted, Y. You sound like an I, but you're a Y. There, I erased that. Now, I want you to think of a word that rhymes with my, like my. Good. Turn and tell someone a word that rhymes with my. Oh, I probably hear things like my, tie, cry, fry, sigh. Those all rhyme with my. Now we're going to look at the question marks because there's a lot of questions in here. Question mark looks like this. It's a curve down and a dot. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. When you're asking a question, you put a question mark. What is this one called, though? A period. Good job. All right, I hope you enjoyed our poem this week. Bye, friends.